Hello, 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 great people. Welcome back to my kitchen. You've tuned in for another edition of Cooking with Love, and I'm Chef Green. Today, I want to show you how I make my coleslaw. And as well, I'm doing fish and chips and shrimp. Okay, so to keep down on all the different steps on camera, I went ahead and cut up my cabbage fine. And so I did just a portion of a red cabbage, and this is probably the full head of a small cabbage, minus the inside hard part. And I slivered a few carrots. So I'm gonna take time to mix this up, and I just only put a little carrot in there just to add a little variation of color along with the red cabbage. So our carrots will basically be peeping through here and there. But the green cabbage will have the predominant color. What I also went ahead and did was cut up the onion, and I did like one stalk of celery, really finely sliced. And then I did just a few pieces of a sweet Valdelia onion. Don't want too much, but I wanted it really thinly sliced. A cup of mayonnaise. I did 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And instead of regular salt, I use celery salt. I might have to make a tiny bit more of this. I don't know. But, you know, you don't need very much. Think so?
I don't eat coleslaw.
Huh? You don't eat coleslaw?
You remember straight.
See, once you mix it real good, you'll see how it stretches throughout.
You don't want it to be too wet, right?
Right. I kind of see the black pepper the way I want it. How visible I want it. But, yeah, it's probably enough.
Probably straight.
Because what we'll do when we get done stirring it, we'll sit it in the fridge and see. First, let's taste it. Oh, look at that. That's like a clump of red. I think I might make a tad bit more sauce. Or you think I should just let it sit and see how it does? Okay, for my, don't want to be too heavy with the the salt. We'll put a layer of salt. These are swai fillets. And I've heard from people that they tend to give them trouble when frying or cooking them. And so my suggestion would be to do like I do, lay them out on a paper towel and season them that way. Oh, for my shrimp, I like to use lemon pepper, not just regular black pepper. And I'm seasoning my shrimp. Okay, so when we get ready, I already have my grease, my oil ready to fry. So when we get ready to get to that stage, when I'm frying my shrimp, I only fry shrimp in flour. But as for my fish, I do a mixture of flour, part cornmeal. I always fry my shrimp at the very last minute. Like I'm gonna be doing fish and chips, and here are my chips. And once I'm done frying the fish, then the chips, then I'll fry my my shrimp, because they only take a hot minute to cook. So all right, I shook it in there and check it, and it's ready to fry. I'm jumping from flour. It's not quite ready to turn yet. Oh, okay. Okay, our first round of chips have begun floating, so we're going to go ahead and take those out. Don't want to, unless you want actual chips, you don't want to cook them too long. When they start to float, they're fine and ready. They're done and ready to come out.
Wait on.
Mm-hmm.
You recorded that.
No.
You're home.
I couldn't record it if I was using both of my hands to stir it. That's when you came over to do that, when I was right there at the counter. So I'm dropping in my shrimp, and I want you guys to see in real time how long you should actually like cook your shrimp for. But some people cook them too long and they're rubbery. But if you like them that way, then by all means, cook them long. But if you want a nicely cooked shrimp, you don't have to cook them for a long period of time. And since this is the last thing that I'm cooking, I'm frying, I'll go ahead and turn my grease off. Ready. Because what you're waiting for, basically, is for that tail to curl. I'm sorry, the front to curl down to the tail, the head, where the head was. And the shrimp does that, it's basically done. Okay, welcome back to my table. Dinner is ready and we're gonna give it a taste, but just before we do, I just wanna encourage you all that might be going through some situations. I feel led to let you all know that I'm praying for you. Those of you that might be experiencing some pain in your upper abdominal area on the left side, God is healing you even now. I'm praying for you constantly, praying for you in the Holy Ghost. I don't know who you are and what your name is, but I am praying for you. And I want you to be encouraged and know that God is, He is the God that healeth thee. So be encouraged. Now, to taste our plate. That's some good coleslaw. Hot sauce. The best. I'm not big on spicy, so that's why I like Crystal hot sauce. It's full of flavor, not so much spice. The chips are great. That is absolutely delicious. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another edition of Cooking with Love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment and share this video. And until next time, I'm Chef Green. Bye-bye. Y'all back? What are y'all doing? I thought y'all were gone. I'm trying to make my fish sandwich. So, yeah, my fish sandwich is mayonnaise, hot sauce, a little mustard. Y'all know how it's done? Just a little bit of mustard, not too much. And a little bit of ketchup. On about your business. I'm about to eat. Bye.